Hi everyone, here in this video we are going to talk about how to create the connection between Magento and Odoo. So we are going to the e-commerce integration model, clicking on new, we need to set up the name of our channel integration, then select e-commerce system, click on save and starting from quick configuration wizard. On the first step we need to set up URLs of our shop and admin and access token. So let's start from the URLs, admin and shop. And to generate access token, we are going to the system, integration, and we need to click add new integration. Here it is. Set up the name, Odoo, Magento, password. Also, we need to select API resource access all and click on save. After that, we can see that our integration was created, Odoo Magento, and we need to click on activate. Also clicking on allow, and here we have ability to select access token. Simply click on it, passed, and going to the next step. Here we need to define what default stores we are planning to use. In my case, it's default store. Let's go to the next step. Here we're checking what languages we are receiving from Magento into Odoo. We can see the list of all of them. We need to set up integration language. In my case, it will be English. Create mapping for all store views, English, and I can activate the necessary language if it's missing on the Odoo side. In my case, it's Italian. Let's activate it. Active. Go back to our cell integration. Okay, it was automatically mapped. So let's go into the next step. Integration language. Next step related to the default taxes. As we know, the structure of taxes is different between Magento and Odoo. In Odoo we have taxes, in Magento we have tax classes. And some tax classes can have multiple taxes. So for the correct export and import of products, we need to set up default taxes. So we need to set up tax for each tax class line. Here it is. Let's go to the next step. On the next step, we are defining in what statuses we are planning to receive orders from Magento into Odoo. So for now it's pending, but I can activate some additional statuses. Let's go to the next step, and here we will be setting up some default objects for the correct export of products from Odoo into Magento. So it's product category ID, and then it will be attribute set ID, attribute group ID, and we are going to the next step related to the attributes. As we know, Magento allows us to create various attributes on the Magento side, and by default we receive the whole list of them. Some of them will be active, these attributes which are used for creating configurable products, and we will receive them, only active one. So if you want to add some additional attributes which will be used for creating configurable products, you can activate them in this list. Let's go to the next step, and this is the last one. By activating this checkbox and clicking on Finish, the system will redirect us to the job queue menu, and we will start receiving objects from Magento into Odoo. So it's categories, features, attributes, and so on. And when all these jobs will go to the done status, that means that these objects will appear in the mapping table, and we need to link them to the Odoo one. But regarding the initial import, we will talk a bit later in a future videos. Thank you.